Everything is not according to the plan. It's not that good for the US, and maybe it's not that bad for Europe. Are we coming from make America great again to make Europe great again, make China great again? Maybe not that much. But still, obviously, things are not as expected. It's not that good for the US. What we look at is a lot of indicators are showing that the Trumponomics so far, not so good. You see consumption is down, inflation expectations are at the highest since 32 years in the US. So while confidence is falling, unemployment goes up, and more than anything else, what was the thermometer of the needle in the Trump compass, the stock market, is clearly underperforming. Imagine that. That's not something we have seen in the last 40 years, such underperformance of the S&P compared to the Euro stocks. This is a very rare event we are looking at. We see that the Euro is not crossing parity. It's up by 5% since the low we have seen after Trump election. So everything is not according to the plan. It's not that good for the US, and maybe it's not that bad for Europe, because tariffs are going to impact Europe big time. And the bulk of it is coming the 2nd of April. So it's going to impact Europe. But on the other way around, Europe is reacting with more public spending on defense, 800 billion. And more than anything else, Germany is having a big revolution with this new setup for its public finances with potentially 1.5 trillion of additional spending. It means that Germany, the sick man of Europe, is going to be the engine of growth in Europe. So Germany can be up by 2%, meaning that it's going to be very positive for its main trading partner, which is France, which is going to be very positive for the main trading partner of France, which are Italy and Spain, blah, blah, blah. It's going to have spillover effects very positive. And so goes for China. We see that China's stocks are outperforming because China, at the end of the day, is less dependent on the US, and they are again not that bad. So once again, we have to be a little bit more balanced in our expectation. Not that good for the US, but no recession. Not that bad for Europe. Still remains to be seen how much positive it's going to be. And China probably is not going to be as much as impacted as before.